Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this DC Super Friends Imaginext RC Mobile Command Center. You can launch the Batwing for high-flying action. Use the remote control to drive, launch, and transform. It comes with Batman. It fits the entire Justice League. You can press to launch the missiles. Put the Joker where he belongs, in jail. Press the button to manually launch the Batwing, or launch using the remote. Collect all your favorite DC Super Friends. Let's check it out. This comes with Batman. Look at his fun face. We also have a projectile launcher. It's Batman. Here's our gel for our villain. The front of the cab folds down and a superhero can sit on the chair. It closes up really nicely. Here we'll use the remote control. Wow, our Batwing is ready. Let's launch the Batwing.
Ready for launch. 3, 2, 1.
We can go forward.
Clear the area.
Or we can turn around.
I've located the Joker. Bad girl. Stop the bad guy.
Let's transform. When we're transformed, we have a spot for all of the Justice League. We have lots of different pegs for our different characters to stand. There's also a control panel. Wow, look, there's even a spot on the side for our characters to stand. Let's see what our power pad does. It can transform our vehicle. So fun! I love that you can transform the mobile command center with or without the remote control. There's also a place to store your Batwing. And there's a space to store the remote control. Wow, so fun! This is a pretty neat toy. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.